Well, hello, I'm Chris, and this is an update on the Jeep. Today we're going to be putting the rear gas struts on the hardtop back glass. We're going to see how easy or hard that is. I got adjustable door straps, and we went ahead and got the QUADRATEC rear floor mats, so we're going to see how well those fit. So these were $39.99 from QUADRATEC, same quality like the front. I really should have got these the first day I bought that Jeep. A great investment. Okay, so I got these off of eBay. They're adjustable door straps. They were $4.99 shipping and everything. We're gonna see how good these go on the Jeep. Since I've never owned a Jeep before, I had to go on there and read reviews for the rear gas struts, and it seemed like these had the best reviews. These are Rana brand right here. These are $26 shipping and everything. Let's open them up and see how they attach to the Jeep. I'm gonna go ahead and get these on the Jeep, and we're just gonna do a review on how they open and close. Anybody can install this. You just put it up against the ball joint and bop it on there. On the passenger side, we have the busted strap. On the TJ, all you do is loosen the bottom one, and then you're gonna have to take the top one off. It's a T20 Torx. Wrap it with tape because you're gonna possibly scratch it just a little bit down there. Just loosen it, and then this one off. Okay, on the driver's side, I had no choice but to cover the logo up. Kind of feel bad doing that. But on this side, then we're going to attach this one, and then we get to choose how far we want the door to open. Okay, so I want these doors to open 90 degrees. So we got one right there. Just get it over. And for $5, you can't beat that. And notice the size difference. Front floor mats working out just real nice. I wish I would have got these the first day I bought the Jeep. So the passenger seat completely slides out of the way. Let's get it in there. Okay, so the backs, I mean, they fit okay. They fit good there. Got a gap. Just seems like they could have done something different right here. I don't know. Okay, I mean, at least we got floor liners in the back. For $39, I don't know. Should have been more like $19.99. The driver one, we can't even see it, but it fits really good. So maybe $29.99 would have been a better price. So I'm not too impressed with the rear ones, but they still match and they're the same quality. Front ones are definitely worth $59 all day and night. Go buy some. All right, just prop it open. Okay, so these look exactly like the factory ones. Do one at a time. It's got a little clip in here. Just gonna pop it out. Should come right out. Oh, all right. All right, same thing on the top. One-handed. Should be greasing that, but one-handed. Oh, one-handed. Oh, look at that bug. I think that's a new species. Get out of here. Oh, this freaking cat's pissed all over my toolbox. Stupid cats. All right. One-handed. Oh, one-handed. Okay. All right. So one screwdriver, one board, one hand. All right, remove the board. Oh my God. Kind of hard to pull down. Bruh. Dang. Oh, that's nice. So video coming, wiring these up 100% from scratch with a relay. And since I live in Houston, Texas, I had to get a locking hood latch. We're going to install that soon. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.